Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back this week. Today we're going to go over how to make sure your water level in your washer is correct. If you see right here, right now, we have our water level size on small load. What you can do real quick if you want to check is put on small load, start your washer. Small load should be just about here. It shouldn't be that much water. Now if you notice that your water level is rising to about here, halfway at the tub or higher, you have a bad pressure sensor. With this style of unit, it's very easy to check if a hose is disconnected. These are gonna pop off, very simple. Let's go back here. And you got 2 screws, one on each side. Those come out, maybe just enough. And then this is just gonna pop up like that. And this is our pressure regulator, or pressure sensor regulator. Now sometimes you have this tube right here, it can be filled up with gunk, dirt, or whatever, or simply it's just knocked off. And these, on this style, they come off relatively easy, so that's gonna be your problem. If you want feeling a little bit gutsy, want to do it at home, that's an easy way to fix it. Now if we come over here, this unit right by our wonderful Keith, this one is not a similar style, obviously, so you can't really pop this off or lift up your front face here, but you can do the same test. Small or mini load, start it, and then obviously it's filling up to here. That's probably going out. In that case, you're going to call someone to step out, take a look at it, and get your washer situated for you. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back next week for some more information.
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.